Where are you going?
To the cemetery.
Why?
Because it's your dad's birthday.
Ano yung powder mo? Ano brand?
It's Japanese.
Nagputi ka na.
Yes, I know, guys. I know how to use makeup and make myself look like a ghost.
Get ready with me. Ganyan yan.